Jim painting alone for 8 hours completes the painting of a trailer. Harry painting alone for 2 hours completes the painting of the rest of the trailer. So that is how the time distribution of these two individuals, Jim and Harry, is. Jim spends 8 hours, Harry spends 2 hours, but we don't know that how much work Jim and Harry are finishing in their respective time. If Harry would have painted the whole trailer, how much time it would have taken to complete this task? So we either need the rate of J or the rate of H to answer the question. Let's look at the first statement, which says that Jim paints twice as much of a trailer in 8 hours that Harry does in 2 hours. Well, that is clearly going to be sufficient. Because if Jim is here, Harry is here, this is the Jim's 8 hours work, this is Harry's 2 hours work, and if Jim paints twice as much of the trailer as Harry does in 2 hours, that means if this is A, then this is 2A portion. That means we know the total work will be equal to 3A. The total trailer work is equal to 3A. And the question is that how long would it have taken Harry to finish it? Because Harry in 2 hours finishes A work, so Harry will take 6 hours to finish the 3A work, because 3 times the work will require 3 times the time, that means 3 times of 2, that is 6 hours, and therefore the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Answer must be between option A and option D. The second statement here says that Jim paints 1 by 12 of the trailer in 1 hour. So Jim's rate is 1 by 12 in 1 hour, that means Jim in 8 hours will paint 8 over 12 of the trailer, that means he will paint 2/3 of the trailer. Now, the remaining work can be calculated by subtracting 2/3 from 1, which is equal to 1/3. So we know that Harry paints 1/3 of the trailer in 2 hours, that means Harry will paint the one complete trailer in 3 times the 2, that means 6 hours. Once again, the second statement alone as well is sufficient to answer the question. Therefore, we say that each alone is sufficient and the answer to the question becomes option D. Thank you so much.